In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this XIAOMI. First of all, you need to open Messages app. Then click on one of your chats and tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Now you need to swipe and click on audio or video. I will go with audio, so when I click, I need to select audio at the bottom. Now click on one of those sources, in my case audio files. Finally, you can click on your file that you wish to add and click on OK at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!